Hi kids! Today we're going to draw a cool police car. Are you ready? Let's get started. Creating a kid-friendly tutorial for drawing a police car can be both entertaining and educational. Here's a step-by-step guide for a short video or presentation. This approach will help kids enjoy the drawing process while learning how to create their own police car.